Hello, dear students. Welcome to What, Why, How, the daily initiative by IAS Baba, where we take up a current affair or an editorial and we declutter it in less than 10 minutes. The topic that I have chosen for today is with a very unique name, I would say. It is called as your Pineapple Express. Now, when I'm saying Pineapple Express, there's a lot of question that comes about actually as to what this Pineapple Express is. There are certain articles that come about saying that Pineapple Express storm has arrived in South Carolina and there's even more rain expected in this area. And there's even an Indian Express article that has come about saying what the Pineapple Express is. So now let's try to explore this. See, ideally, a Pineapple Express is a type of atmospheric river. What is an atmospheric river? Okay, before we go into the atmospheric part, you all know what a normal river is. A river is basically a stream of water that is there. Now, what is an atmospheric river? Whenever there is so much of moisture that is there in a stream, this is called as atmospheric river. And where does it occur? It occurs in the Earth's air column, in your Earth's atmosphere. So, primarily, this Pineapple Express is a type of atmospheric river. You can see over here how it is caused and everything. See, we know that when you have the surface of the earth, and when the surface of the earth warms up, all the moisture that is there on the earth, it turns into water vapor. Now, what also happens? This water vapor rises up, forms your clouds, and then comes down as rain. But here, what is happening is this water vapor has all risen up. Once it has risen up, it slowly starts condensing. But before it can form into any clouds, this condensed moisture which is there, they all get pulled towards any land area. When it gets pulled towards any land area, what happens? It goes to the land part and it makes a landfall over there. Once it makes a landfall, you will have heavy rains in some places you will even have snowfall, etc. Got it? So, this is the concept of an atmospheric river. Now, this particular atmospheric river, which is called as your Pineapple Express, originated near the Hawaiian region. It carried its warm, moisture laden air and it came and dumped almost 250 to 500 of rain in certain areas and even 6 feet, that is almost 2 meters of snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains. You can understand, so this is a very powerful event. Okay, now coming into why is it called as a Pineapple Express? It's called as a Pineapple Express because it's originated near your Hawaiian area. Hawaii is quite popular for these tropical fruits like pineapple, and it's called as express because that air that is there in your atmosphere, that moisture laden air, traveled at such large speeds like an express train. This is why it's called as Pineapple Express. Now, why is it so important for us? See, when such kind of events happen, it can cause very heavy flooding and mudslides. You can have excessive rainfall in certain areas. Sometimes you will have heavy snowfall that is there. And obviously, it's accompanied by very strong winds and power outages. Apart from all of this, there is a good point to all of this coming from the idea that it will replenish the certain water supplies, especially in very dry areas like Western United States. It goes without mentioning that every year in the time of February is where this Pineapple Express is passing over the west coast of your America. Now, the reason why it's happening like that is because in the months prior to your February, which is in your December and Jan, what happens is there is extremely high temperatures that keep happening, and these extremely high temperatures even cause certain areas, like in some areas there is forest fire, some areas have extremely bad weather phenomenon, drought like conditions. Now, because of all of that high temperature is where all the water vapor had started vaporizing and moving to your columns. But come to your times of your after your January coming to your Feb, your temperature slowly starts dropping. And when your temperature drops, whatever this water vapor is there, it starts condensing. And that is how your atmospheric river always happens to happen, or this particular atmospheric river, which is your Pineapple Express, always tends to happen in February. Now coming into the fact that it's not just your US west coast that is getting affected. All around the globe you have areas like UK, Ireland, Norway and China, that where you can see atmospheric rivers. The atmospheric rivers often make the rainy season in China very worse. And the rainy season in China, called as the Meiyu, becomes actually very worse because of the atmospheric river formation in these areas. Fortunately for us in India, there are no recorded instances of your atmospheric river, primarily because if an atmospheric river kind of a phenomenon has to happen, it has to travel very large areas carrying all the moisture and then making a landfall. But in India, from the areas where you can capture the rainfall, the distance to the land is quite less, so that there is not much of travel needed to make a landfall. So there is a complete lack of a river like phenomena or a stream like phenomena when it comes to India. I hope this entire issue has been decluttered. And until we meet again, take care and happy learning.